Apple's Duplicates album does not catch every retake. Here is how to find similar photos on your iPhone and keep the best one. First, open the App Store and search for Video Compressor HEVCut. Choose the purple app with this icon. Open the listing and tap Get to download it. When the installation finishes, tap Open. The first time HEVCut opens, tap Allow Full Access so it can find the photos and videos you want to manage. Open Duplicates in HEVCut. Look for near and similar groups, which collect retakes, small edits, and slightly different versions together. Tap Use Suggestions. HEVCut marks a keeper and explains useful signals such as resolution, file size, favorites, edits, and live photos. Review the green keeper and the red extras. Change any choice you disagree with, then delete only when the group looks right.